Hi folks, exercise in painting skies, basically wet in wet, and why the blue, I put it on the yellow or the raw sienna, it doesn't go green. So we'll see if we can slay that one straight away. So wet the paper all over. This is Saunders Waterford £90 cold pressed. My favourite paper. It's a beautiful paper to work on. If you're a beginner, you do not need to spend lots of money on £140 paper or £200 paper. £90. It does not need stretching, pre-stretching. You can just wait for it to just expand a bit and just put it tight. This is on the back of one that didn't record for some reason or another. I don't know what happened there. Okay, so you can see that's pretty flat. Right, now, get me palette, which is still dirty from the one underneath, so let's just get that nice. Right, now we put in the raw sienna. The raw sienna, you don't have to put it in if you don't want to, you could just go straight in, but it just gives a unifying warm colour behind your skies, water, whatever you're going to put on. Okay, now while that's wet, clean the brush. Got a bit of a dry on there. Now we put in some ultramarine. And a bit of cloud, so just add a bit of red to that. There we go, we've got a sky. In your base colour, that the raw sienna, you can add a bit of light red here and there. But as you can see, it hasn't gone green because I put it on and left it. I didn't overwork it. If I overworked it, it would mix. So now I'm going to dry that, and I'll mute you so you don't. Oh, that's gone dark. Now why is that? That's better. Bit better, but it's not daylight, is it? That's not good. That's got a bit of red showing, and there's no red. I haven't put any red on it at all. Oh no. Nearly there. Right, okay, that seems to be. I'll give that. No, still too dark. Just a fraction down. There we go. So I'll just pause it. Okay, so I've got it it's nice and flat. I can put a bit of background in and take from there. Right. Oh, sorry, I'm getting my head in the way. Okay. Well, No, let's go a bit wild with this one. I'm going to use Frank Clark's Hake. I'm going to put a nice yellow colour in. It's cad yellow. Bit of sienna. A bit of Payne's grey with that green. Put some blue in there. You need pencil, you need cloth just to take the moisture out of the brush. Right. Too much water. Texture. Illusion of detail. Now, Payne's grey goes beautiful with this burnt sienna. This is the Winsor & Newton Cotman. The Winsor & Newton burnt sienna is second to none that I've ever tried. Get some light in this tree here. Now I'm painting with some fresh cadmium yellow. I went a bit heavy with that. Alright, let's get some reflection in everything. How are we doing? That's a touch too dark. I'm determined to get it lighter. A bit better. Get a Nothing like overdoing it. Okay, now we're going to have to connect up the dots. Let's get some nice green now. Right, okay, now that's quite promising, isn't it? That's, don't think it'll lift out very well, but oh. All right, we won't overdo it. That's quite good. Quite like that. I'll give it a dry. Right, so clean the brush and do a bit of filigree. There we go. Just a dark made from Payne's grey and a bit of burnt sienna. We'll just go over some of this. Okay, we'll put that in a mount. It's probably a lot better than the one on the other side, I think. It's much more impressionist, but it creates an atmosphere. Well, there we are. Still a bit light. That's the light going up a bit. Yeah, well, there we are. So, some rough ground, painting rough ground, some distance, a couple of trees, but that one subordinates that one. You don't want two of the same. I did manage to scrape out some of the paint. Wish I'd let's go over there a bit. Yeah, there we are. A bit better. Okay, well, I hope you like that one, folks. Remember, this is essentially a sky painting. Oh, sorry, go up there. Just a bit of wild ground, really, just an impression of wild ground and illusion of detail. Hope you like it. See you soon. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.